Hi there, students. Jubilee. Okay, a jubilee, it's a countable noun. It's the celebration of the day which something important happened many years ago, particularly 50 years ago or 100 years ago. So I clearly remember the Queen's Silver Jubilee in 1977. That's why they named the Jubilee line in London, and why it's in silver, because this was to commemorate the Queen's Silver Jubilee. Notice with these jubilees we very often have different metals or different things. So silver is normally the 25th anniversary. The ruby jubilee would be the 40th anniversary, gold for the 50th, diamond for the 60th, and platinum for the 70th anniversary. So yes, we did get to the Queen's platinum jubilee. Okay, so a jubilee, this is a special anniversary of an event that took place in the past. It's a celebration, it's a holiday, it's a festival, particularly 25, 50, a set number of years, and this is the idea of a jubilee. Now, originally this word jubilee came to us from Hebrew, yovel, and this is something that was in biblical, and I think every 50th year there were certain Jewish laws that or Jewish biblical commandments that slaves had to be freed and various different things. We now have jubilees in the Catholic Church where where the Pope declares that this is a time where plenary indulgences and remissions from sin can be granted by making a pilgrimage to Rome or somewhere else. So this is a jubilee as well. But normally a jubilee is the anniversary of something important happening, particularly a king or a queen coming to the throne is very often a jubilee. But you could have the 500th jubilee of Cambridge University. No, it's more like the 1000th jubilee of Cambridge University coming up. Okay, so a jubilee, it's the celebration of a day. It's the commemoration of a specific anniversary. It's the anniversary of an event. It's some sort of commemoration. And then you have various different things. So it's a time for rejoicing, to celebrate an anniversary. But particularly the 50th. In the Old Testament, this was a year that was every 50th year, in which slaves were to be liberated and property was to be restored. But a jubilee and the anniversary of something. Let's see. We have a late Latin word, jubilatus, from an ancient Greek jubilatus, of a jubilee, but this goes further back to yobel in Hebrew. So jubilee, formality, I'd give this a 5 in formality, use it anywhere. It's the jubilee of something, the anniversary. So, jubilee.